Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Megan. In today's video, I will be unboxing a new hair straightener that I purchased from Obvs Beauty. If you have been to my channel before, you will know that I have been using hair straighteners to style my hair for the longest time, and I've owned this one particular straightener for about maybe almost 10 years now actually, and it's the Philips Selfie straightener. I don't have it with me right now because it's tucked away in the back, and the reason why is because it's actually finally come to its end. It's met its fate. It served me for such a long time. Eventually it had to break down, right? It was high time that I did get a new hair straightener. So if you would like to see that as well, I will be getting ready for my birthday brunch today, so I hope you don't mind that I do that first and then we go into the unboxing. Okay, so for this part of the video, I don't know if you're new to my channel, but if you aren't, then you would know that I don't really do any crazy makeup looks or anything. I tend to go for more neutral, natural makeup. So I already kind of have a foundation base, but I might just build that up because I am heading out. Earlier, before I started this video, I actually already filmed another video, and it is my hair blow drying routine. So now I'm just gonna top it off. I'm using the Morphe 2 Hint Skin Tint. I don't use a lot of foundation, and that's because I don't like feeling like I have heavy foundation on my face, and I find that this Morphe 2 Hint skin tint line, it's quite good for what I'm after. I just want a little bit of coverage. Just use my fingers, so please don't judge me. Sometimes I use a brush, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I just find that it blends better with my fingers. I also don't have a clean foundation brush right now, so I'm just using this. So let's be real on this channel. But anyway, I guess while I'm getting ready, let's chat a little bit. I'll try to make this as quick as possible so we don't spend too much time on this get ready part and more on the unboxing part and actually getting my hair ready, because that's what I take longer with. So more recently though, just an update for everyone, I have been doing some skin treatment, and specifically skin needling. It's my first time trying it out. I'm on my second session now. I don't really know how I feel about it yet. I don't know what the effects are so far because I've only done it twice, and I feel like most of them are saying you kind of get to the third and then you can compare if you had a before photo, which I do. It would be interesting to see because obviously I look at my face quite often. You see your face every day, so you don't really notice those differences anymore because they're gradual. So my brunch later is going to be with some friends from the dance studio. I haven't been dancing for a while because of my recent accident with my elbow being dislocated, but I will be going back soon. But also these friends of mine I've just stayed in touch with, obviously outside of the dance studio, so now it's quite nice because I get to celebrate with them. I've been here for 2 years, but it's only last year that I met them, so we've only been friends for a year, but we've been really close. Really nice for me to have friends here. I have people to hang out with, you know, outside of my relationship. If you're in a relationship, it's good to have interests outside of the relationship. That's just healthy. You two can be your own people, your own persons, and I'm really excited. Am I the only? I don't know. Don't judge me about how I do my makeup. This is how I do it, and it's been working for me. So I booked a place called Niche for brunch, and I'm gonna go meet them there shortly, and we will be doing brunch, and I'm turning 31 this year. Those of you who are wondering, I'm gonna be wearing a really cute dress. It's pink, really summery, and just a little bit sexy, which is nice because, you know, you gotta have a little bit of sexy in your life. And I might just go for a neutral eye makeup. I do have this massive Morphe palette, and I think I might just go with like the pinks over there. So I know I'm getting ready really slowly, but I hope you guys don't mind. Let me know in the comment section how you all are doing. What are you looking forward to, I guess? I hope, you know, you're all well and you're looking forward to something, because it always helps having something to look forward to. I think for me, what I am most looking forward to is our wedding. If you're new to my channel, or maybe you haven't seen it on Instagram yet, I am getting married. So the boyfriend that you've been seeing on my YouTube page that I keep calling my boyfriend is actually my fiance. And we've been engaged for almost a year now. We weren't engaged when we moved here. We just got engaged here in Australia. There, just a little bit of daytime shimmer on my eyes. I've got my blush, but I realized that I still have my powder on my face. So I'm just gonna wipe that away. And some blush. I use the Morphe 2 also. Perk Up Cheek and Lip Color. I've never used this for my lips. There we go. Looking fresh. But now it's time for us to unbox the hair straightener that I got. Like I told you, I bought this straightener from Oz Hair and Beauty. I bought it during their Black Friday sale, so I was able to get maybe 10% off. I can't really remember. But this one that I got is from GHD, and I've not used this brand before. However, I do find they're very popular, so I thought I'd try them out. I've seen good reviews from it. With my last straightener, the Philips Selfie Straightener, it was just a really simple straightener. It only had the on and off switch. It didn't really have any heat settings to it, and because I'm not really using it super heavily, that was enough for me. I think this one might be the same too. When I did buy it, they had that sale, but also they had a promo, so I guess I got like a little freebie here. And this one is a dry shampoo, and this one is from a brand called, I think it's pronounced Hoiko with a J, or Joico, and it's called Weekend Hair. So it's just a dry shampoo. Today I won't be using it because I did just wash my hair this morning, so I don't need it. Okay, let's head to the straightener. This is the GHD original, what does it say? Original? No, yeah, it does. GHD Original Professional Styler. So that's what it looks like. And then, I haven't actually seen this. And it looks like that on the inside. So it's black with like, I think it's like a gold plating here, and the GHD logo at the end. That wasn't easy because there is no tab to pull it out, so I had to like use my fingers. And that's it. This is what's underneath, just some instructions for the hair tool. And here is how the hair straightener looks like. There. It's a little bit thicker, or a little bit just chunkier than my old one, which is the Philips Selfie Straightener. A little bit heavier than that one too. It does have that rotating cord that will help with styling my hair. And like I said, another simple one, it only has the off and on switch on it. I will need to check what the maximum setting, or what the maximum temperature for this is. So you have the protector for the plug, and then you have these plates here that are gold. Yeah. We'll just test it out and see how it curls my hair. It is a special occasion. It is a party. If you haven't been to my channel before, I do have a tutorial about this. I have 2 tutorials about it already, actually. I won't get into too much detail about this so that you don't get too bored with this video. But I will link the tutorial for how to straighten your hair using a... Wait, I'm about to say it the other way around. How to curl your hair using a flat iron. I just use this Shine Plus Argan Oil of Morocco Heat Protectant Spray on my hair. Make sure it's protected. What do I want to do with my hair? I do want to curl it, but I don't want to do tight curls. I might just do like a really simple loose curl. Like I said, it only has the on and off switch, so I will switch it on. And there was a sound. And now the light's on. So while that's heating up, let's have a look at the manual. Maybe it'll give me some... What does that mean? The GHD styler heats up and emits a bleep when it reaches the required temperatures for styling. So it did beep, and so now it's ready. It was pretty quick. Let's style my hair. There we go. That's all right. It's curling my hair. I will say that it's curling my hair quite quickly. I didn't even need to put that much effort into it. Like one glide did it. There. The only thing is I find that the plates are not long enough for the sections that I'm doing. They're slipping out of the plates quite easily. I don't know if that's because I've made big sections, but I didn't want to make small sections because I only wanted to do a loose curl anyway. When the light is also flashing, that's just it saying the hair straightener is ready for styling. I don't know what I feel about that flash. It's kind of making me feel like I need to switch it off, you know what I mean? Because it's like alerting me. With this hair straightener, it also says that it comes with some safety features like the sleep mode. So it does switch off after 30 minutes if it hasn't been used. It detects when you're using it, and if you haven't used it and you've forgotten to, you know, switch it off, it will switch off after 30 minutes, which is good. However, never forget to switch off your hair straightener. That's never a good idea. Even though it has the sleep mode, always switch it off, please. One thing I do make sure I do when I use these types of straighteners with just an on and off switch is that I make sure not to leave it on a section of hair, a certain part of my hair too long. I don't want it to burn. I know that they're meant to just reach a certain temperature that's safe for your hair, but to be sure, I still just don't let it sit on my hair for too long. Okay, so here we have it. Just a simple curl on my hair that I've done using the GHD Original Professional Styler. I needed to read out the name to make sure that I got it right. So now that we are done, the light is still flickering, so I will just switch it off, unplug it, and that's it. There we go. I think that should be okay for now. We're nearly done anyway. And so this is the dress that I will be wearing. I'll show you. It's very hot girl summer. No, I'm just kidding. It's very summery. There you go. You could see that it has that little peekaboo detail. I'm moving my chair. It has that peekaboo detail here. A little slit here. So this dress I got from an online brand, I guess. They have a website. It's called Hello Molly. So I'll leave the link to this dress if you're interested in buying this one. The size is correct. I am in between 8 to 10, but I think I got a small, which is an 8. It's correct apart from the upper area. The chest area is just a bit tight around here, but otherwise should be okay. Anyway, this is the dress that I'm wearing, and now let's style my hair. I was thinking of maybe brushing it out. I'm not sure. Forgot my brush in the other room, but I might just do that with a normal comb and see how that goes. Still want the tight curls because it feels like it's a bit formal with the tight curls. Yeah, how are you feeling about that one? Is that better? Did I just make it worse? Might just need to do one side. Oh, maybe we do one side. Yeah, okay, let's do that. That volume. Okay, I don't know what to do with my hair anymore. The point of this video was to show you how the hair straightener works, and it works for me. It did curl my hair quite easily, which I love to do using a straightener, so that's a plus. And like I said, it's a bit heavier than what I'm used to, but only because I think the one that I had before was a travel size, and which means it was a travel weight as well. There is a bit of weight to it, but it's not uncomfortable. It's easy to maneuver around. You saw me earlier, and also the cord swivels around quite easily. So if you would like to purchase one for yourself, I'll leave a link down below. If you would like to support my channel and see more of hairstyling videos, styling videos, get ready with me videos, then let me know. And yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't yet, and I hope to see you all in my next one. I did forget to put on lipstick. Let's just do that. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye.